Welcome to the Test Fuel and Blowout Stand Grand Valley Senior Project Team 21 presentation, sponsored by Woodward, Inc. The team is seen here consisting of Grant, Chris, Sam, Tristan, Mike, and Edgar. The main objective of this project was to combine 3 pre-existing machines at Woodward into one new machine. The pre-existing machines would run either compressed air or calibration fluid called test fuel through return jet fuel nozzles. These machines would allow the interior of the part to get cleaned and restored, ready to get back in the air. The new machine is seen here as far as it is built at the time of the recording of this video. This machine contains benefits of universal adapters, recycling of the test fuel, and a combined space for less operator movement. The jet fuel nozzles can be placed in the staging area seen here. The hoses are then attached to the jet fuel nozzles, and either air or test fuel is run through the part. The tanks collect either the waste coming out of the compressed air run or the test fuel, which is recirculated throughout the system. Test fuel is ran through the system utilizing a 5 horsepower ball-door motor and a pump attached to it. The pump pushes out too much pressure, so a relief valve is seen here, and this reduces the pressure. To prevent the test fuel from getting contaminated, a 10-micron filter is seen here after the pump and relief valve to filter out any contaminants. Following this, our 8-piece manifold is used to split the pressure into the 8 hoses used. Needle valves are used to evenly disperse the pressure among the 8 hoses. DK lock valves are used in case any hoses aren't going to be utilized during a run, as if you're running only 2 parts at a time. Operators are able to use the machine using this HMI screen, which is powered using a PLC. This panel also contains an e-stop in case of emergency. This air manifold regulates the pressure going out to the jet fuel nozzles as well. The orange parts at the beginning you saw is where the hoses are inserted, and then those go directly to the part. Overall, this machine is expected to save roughly 50% in cycle time and be easier on the operators in the end. These benefits are due to the facts that you can run more parts at once and the compact nature of the machine. I hope you enjoyed learning about our machine, and thank you for watching.